Welcome to Class 5 NCERT Chapter 6 Be My Multiple, I'll Be a Factor Part 5. Factor tree, page number 97. Look at the factor tree. Now you can make another tree like this. See children, this is one of the example which is given. Just now we have learned in our previous video factors, yes or no? So what are the factors of 18? You can write 1 into 18, like that you can write. So here what is given? 9 and 2. Are 9 and 2 factors of 18 or not? 9 2s are 18, 2 9s are 18. So you will get it. And then what are the factors of 9? Factors of 9 are 3 and 3. 3 3s are 9. Or how you can write 1 and 9. So no. So like this we can do. Similarly we have to do the factor tree for 18 with some other numbers. So one concept they have given 9 and 2. So next what we can get? 6 and 3, because 6 3s are 18. 6 3s are 18. So factor of 18 is 6 and 3. Now for 6 what we can do? 2 and 3 or 1 and 6, anything we can do. Okay. Now next, in how many ways can you draw a factor tree for 24? Draw 3 of them below. So for 24, just as we did for 18, now they are asking us to do for 24 in 3 different ways. So first one, so 24, what all I can write? 8 and 3, because 8 3s are 24. Next for 8, how we can get? 2 4, because 2 4s are 8. Next for 4, 2 and 2, 4, 2 2s are 4. Is 2 a factor? Yes. Is 2 a factor? Yes. So 2 2s are 4. Similarly now the other way, how we can do? See, first I have taken 8 3s are 24. Now I am taking 12 2s are 24. Okay. 12 2s are 24. Next for 12, 2 and 6 are the factors. 2 6 are 12. Next for 6, 3 and 2 are the factors. Okay. Now the next method. So I have completed with 8 into 3, 12 into 2. So now I went for 6 into 4. So 24 I can write it as 6 into 4. Next for 6 I am putting again branches, that is 3 into 2. And for 4 I am putting branches 2 into 4. So understood how we did this? For same number 24, because as in our last video we have seen how to find out the factors. We have taken the multiplication chart and from that we have found out the factors. So similarly for factors of 24 are 1 into 24 we can write. So 1 is a factor and 24 is a factor. Next 2 into 12. So 2 is a factor, 12 is a factor, 6 and 4. So 6 is a factor, 4 is a factor. We are doing that. Again we are splitting it in the form of a tree, and for that also we are writing the factors. Now, tiling problems, page number 97. First one, there is a garden in Anu's house. In the middle of the garden there is a path. They decided to tile the path using tiles of length 2 feet, 3 feet and 5 feet. Okay, the mason tiled the first row with 2 feet tiles, the second row with 3 feet tiles and third row with 5 feet tiles. The mason has not cut any of the tiles. Then what is the shortest length of the path? So as we did in bangles and tamarind, in tamarind one imli was left out, whereas in bangles we saw that without leaving any bangles. So similarly like this here, they are laying a path in the garden. So for that what is required? Tiles are required. So they have taken 2 feet, 3 feet and 5 feet tiles, and first row with like this tiling, first row with 2 feet, the second row with 3 feet and the third row is 5 feet. And one more rule what they are saying is the tiles has not to be cut. Then they are asking which is the shortest length of the path. So for this, from the question it is given that mason tiled the first row with 2 feet tiles, second row with 3 feet tiles and third row with 5 feet tiles. So before also I told you, when we were finding like this, the easiest method is to find the LCM. What is LCM? Least common multiple. Least common multiple of 2, 3 and 5. So how will put? We'll put the line like this, then 2, 3, 5. Are there any common numbers for 2, 3, 5? No. So 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 3 we don't get, so we'll put 3 only. Then 5 we don't get, so we'll get 5 only. So the LCM of 2, 3 and 5 is 2 into 3 into 5, because there are no common in that. So that is 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 5, 30. Therefore, the shortest length of the path is 30 meters. Did you remember the tamarind one which we did now? That time we got 60 as the LCM and 1 was left out, that is 61 we did. Similarly, for 2, 3 and 5 we got the LCM as 30. Therefore, the shortest length of the path is 30. Shortest means least, that is least common multiple we have to find out. Okay, the next one, second one, Manoj has a new house. He wants to lay tiles on the floor. The size of the room is 9 feet into 12 feet. In the market, there are 3 kind of square tiles, 1 foot by 1 foot, 2 feet by 2 feet, 3 feet by 3 feet. Which size of the tile should he buy for his room so that he can lay it without cutting? So similarly, here also laying of tiles only. And what is the size of the room given? 9 by 12, that is 9 feet into 12 feet. And is how tiles are of different size, and it is of square size. 1 foot by 1 foot, 2 foot by 2 foot, 2 feet by 2 feet, 3 feet by 3 feet. And so, which tile if he takes from the 3, he can lay it without cutting. That is the question given. So, from the question, what is the size of the room? What you will write? 9 feet by 12 feet, which is given in the question. Now, next, size of the tiles available in the market are 1 by 1, 2 by 2 and 3 by 3. Now, the size of the tile that he should choose to lay it without cutting should be factor of 9 and 12. Yes or no? If it is a factor, then only there will be no remainder, 0 you will get it. Then there is no need for cutting. So, we have to find which are the factors. Now, as we know, 1 is a factor of all numbers. 1 and the number itself is a factor. So, no. So, as we know, 1 is a factor of all the numbers. So, he can buy tiles of 1 by 1. So, no. So, if he put 1 by 1, 1 by 1, 1 by 1 without cutting, he can put 9 by 12 also. So, first one goes right. Now, next. Now, 2 is not a factor of, the next one is 2 by 2. So, is 2 a factor of 9? No, because 2 4s are 8, you will get 1 as a reminder. So, again what happens? Tile has to cut. So, the tile of measure 2 by 2 cannot be laid without cutting. Now, next we will take 3 by 3. So, we know 3 is a factor of 9 and 12 also. So, no, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. So, you can also choose a tile of the measure 3 by 3. So, what all you can choose? 1 by 1, because as it is a factor, 3 by 3 as it a factor of 9 by 12. But we can't choose 2 by 2 because 2 is not a factor of 9. Okay, therefore, Manoj can buy 1 foot by 1 foot and 3 feet by 3 feet so that he can lay it without cutting. Now, third one, Rani, Geeta and Nasima live near each other. The distance from their houses to the road is 90 feet. That is from their house to road. This is Rani's house, this is Geeta's house and this is Nasima's house. From their house to road is 90 feet. They decided to tile the path of the road. So, this path which is there, they decided to tile it. They all brought tiles of different designs and lengths. Rani brought the shortest tile, Geeta bought the middle sized one and Nasima bought the longest one. If they could tile the path without cutting any of the tiles, what is the size of the tiles each has bought? Suggest 3 different solutions and explain how you got the answer. First, what is given for us? Length is given as 90 feet. All the 3 houses length to the road is 90 feet. Now, they have to choose a size of tile that can be tiled on the path without cutting, so that the size of the tile should be like before one, it should be a factor. If it is a factor, then they can lay without cutting. If it is not a factor of 90, then they cannot lay without cutting. So, first we have to find out the factors of 90. So, what all are the factors of 90? 1 is a factor, yes. Next 2, 3, 5, 6, 9, 10. Divide everything by these numbers and see. If the remainder is 0, then only it is a factor. 15, 18, 30, 45 and 90. So all these are the factors of 90. Then the possible sizes of tiles are, so what all tiles you can lay? 1 by 1, 2 by 2, 3 by 3, because tiles are available in square this set. Square means both length and breadth should be same. All sides will be same. No length breadth concept here. All sides will be same. So 3 by 3, 5 by 5, 6 by 6, 9 by 9, 10 by 10, 15 by 15, 18 by 18, 13 by 30, 45 by 45, 90 by 90. So all these sizes can be taken. So what is given? Rani chooses the smallest size and Geeta takes the middle size and Nasima the larger size. So we can choose the tiles in the following way. So Rani can take 1 by 1, next Geeta can take 2 by 2, then Nasima can take 3 by 3. Then this will be the largest, this is the middle and this is the smallest. Or they asked 3 options, yes or no? If Rani is going for 2 by 2, then Geeta can go for the next middle one is 3 and the biggest one will be that time 5, like that. Next, if Rani is taking 3 feet, then Geeta will go for 5 and Nasima will go for 6. For example, Rani is taking 30 by 30, then Geeta will go for 45 by 45 and Nasima will go for 90 by 90. Okay children, understood all this? Okay children, by this we have completed our chapter 6, that is Be My Multiple, I Will Be Your Factor. Thank you.